Alright, what we have here is a Vulcan engine made by the Burnac company. Let's light it up. Let's slow it down a bit. Running very nicely. You can get an all-around view. Well, gotta do that a little bit better. Let's see if we can slow it down a touch. Wow, sounds pretty nice. I think it's going to keep running at that slow speed. Let's try and slow it down just a touch more. This is actually an exhaust choke rather than an inlet throttle. And it works quite well. Leaks a little bit from the sight glass. Flywheel wobbles a bit. It certainly doesn't slow it down. Happy to have this. It's a nice runner. It's an excellent engine. Paid more for it than the last one I saw go on sale on eBay. But I'm very happy with it. Came with a box. It's a good runner. Well, on that note, let's say goodbye.